everybody, my name is Yash and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve a 3x3 and as fast as I can. And so let's talk about how I started solving the Rubik's Cubes. So I started solving the Rubik's Cubes when I saw my friends doing it. They solved it really fast, so I wanted to see if I could do it too. And after long hours of research and many years of trying, I finally was able to solve it. And so it's been a while since I've started solving this, but I'm gonna do my best. And there's somebody else I'd like to show you. My brother Rishi here, he's gonna be the one scrambling these Rubik's Cubes. So I'll give this to him and he'll scramble it. And in the meantime, I'll talk about these. So this is a pyraminx, and a pyraminx is basically a pyramid, and you can move it by doing this, 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 and this. You can do too. And there's these things called tips, which help identify the color, and they're basically the center. Now this is a 2x2. Many people may think that this is the easiest cube to solve, but actually it's not, because there are many cases in which you can solve. Okay, next one, 4x4. The 4x4 is a cube which also needs the centers to be solved. A center is, well, like the center of a cube. Can I have this for a second? Like for this 3x3, it has a center, 3x3, which means it has a center. A 4x4, however, does not, because, well, as you can see, it does not have a fixated color center. You need to make them. And one thing I really like about this cube is that the longer you take on this, the more easier it gets, and then you actually finally be able to turn it fluently. Okay? Scrambling is over, and now my brother is going to time me. Let's analyze. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, start. Done. Okay, and so my record now is 52.64 seconds. And check out my other videos, which I will be solving these, and my other videos, which will explain how to solve these. Bye-bye. See you guys later.